Hello everyone, welcome to this class. Today I explain you questions based on time and work. So here the question is, Amit can complete a craft work in 6 days. Ravina can complete it in 3 days. In how many days they can complete craft work working together? So first we calculate their individual work. In 6 days, Amit can complete work is equal to 1. So we calculate 1 day work. So in 1 day, Amit can complete work is equal to, for 1 day we divide it by 6, so it is 1 upon 6 here in 3 days. In 3 days can complete work is equal to 1. So we calculate 1 day work of Ravina. In 1 day, Ravina can complete work is equal to 1 upon 3 are the work, 1 day work of Amit 1 upon 6 and 1 day work of Ravina is 1 upon 3. Now we calculate when they are working together. So how do we calculate? If we add 1 day work of Amit and Ravina, so what we do here? In 1 day, Amit and Ravina. So in 1 day, Amit and Ravina can complete work because both of them are working together. So we add their work. So we add 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3. Find the LCM of this one. This is 6 and here it is 1 and it is 2. So the answer is 3 upon 6. Cut them and here it is 1 upon 2. So the 1 day work of Amit and Ravina is 1 upon 2. Here it is 1 upon 2. So the next question is, the red tap fills the bathtub in 4 minutes. Blue tap takes 6 minutes to fill it. How long will both taps take to fill the tub if both of them are open together? So first we calculate 1 minute work of red tap. In 4 minutes, red tap fills the bathtub is equal to 1. So we calculate 1 minute work of red tap. So in 1 minute, red tap fills the bathtub is equal to 1 upon 4 part. Blue tap takes 6 minutes to fill it. So here we write down in 6 minutes blue tap fills the bathtub is equal to 1. Okay, now we calculate 1 minute work. So in 1 minute, blue tap fills the tub is equal to 1 upon 6. We divide it by 6. So here this is a 1 minute work of red tab and this is a 1 minute work of blue tab. But here we have to calculate if both of them are open together. Open together means, so what we have to do? We find the 1 minute work of both of them. So in 1 minute, red plus blue tabs fill the tub is equal to, what we do? We add them together, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. Now we calculate this one. 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. Take the LCM of this one. So this is 5 upon 12. It means in 12 by 5 minutes. The tub. Next question is from module number 2, the assembly hall. A school can be whitewashed by Shah Rukh and Dilip in 4 days. If Shah Rukh alone can do it in 8 days, in how many days Dilip alone can do it? So here what we do here, first we write down 1 day work of Shah Rukh and Dilip. So from directly I am writing here 1 day work of Shah Rukh and Dilip. So from here we can find out directly because in 4 days they can complete one work. So in 1 day how much work they can complete? They can complete 1 upon 4th part of the work they can complete. Similarly, Shah Rukh can alone do it in 8 days. So from here also we find out 1 day work of Shah Rukh because it complete the whole work in 8 days. So in 1 day how much work will be completed? So he can complete 1 upon 8th part of the work in 1 day. So 1 day work of Shah Rukh is equal to, from here it is 1 upon 8. Now both of them are working together and here only Shah Rukh is doing work. So can we if we subtract both of them, so we can find out the work of Dilip? So 1 day work of Dilip is equal to, just see here, Shah Rukh plus Dilip, and if we subtract Dilip from here, so we get the value of Shah Rukh because DD we can cut and Shah Rukh will get, right? So in this 1 day work of Dilip is 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 8. Now take the LCM and it is 2 minus 1, it is equal to 1 upon 8. It means in 8 days Dilip can complete the work alone. So the answer is in 8 days Dilip alone can do the work. So answer is in 8 days Dilip alone can do the work. Next question is, A can complete a project in 15 days together. Together with his brother B, he completed it in 10 days. In how many days B complete the same work working alone? So first we calculate 1 day work of A. So from here 1 day work of A is equal to 1 upon 15 because A can complete work in 15 days. So in 1 day he can complete what? 1 upon 15th part of the work. Similarly A plus B. 1 day work of, from here also 1 day work of A plus B. 1 day work of A plus B. From here we can calculate they both can complete it in 10 days. So 1 day work of both of them will be 1 upon 10. Okay, so now we calculate 1 day work of B. 1 day work of B. If we subtract A plus B minus A, if you subtract A from here, so you will get B. So in the similar way, you can calculate, you subtract 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 15. You subtract both of them. So from here you will get the answer. Now take the LCM, that is 30 and it is 3 and 2, and from here you will get 30. So it means they both can, B alone can complete the work in 30 days. So, and in 30 days, B alone can complete the work.